Got a microwave. Only been dropped once.
God, pages I can eat for hours.
Good old microwave.
Shooting at the microwave.
Just goes right through it.
Did it?
Yeah.
It's only thin sheet metal.
That went in my shirt. Damn it.
Don't catch yourself some double D's or something.
If you hit it right in between the barrel and the microwave, you think it would fall.
That thing's probably got enough
literally
weight,
dead
it's going
on.
right through it.
Yeah.
Get us some pineapple.
Pineapple or gravy?
Let's do the gravy.
Behind the bush.
Gravy and pineapple.
No!
Nice!
I think you're
Shrapnel.
pineapple. That's pineapple back
You had it
there.
on top of it.
Have at it, whoever wants to shoot the pineapple.
Where do we get the pineapple?
You get the pineapple.
That gotta be pineapple right here. Oh yeah. Pineapple or gravy? What the hell? Smells kinda good.
Dude, I got a tongue like right in the fucking nuts.
Dude, refried beans, anything solid in a can is so badass. 3-dimensional and goes everywhere.
Oh,
A skull, dip container.
Uh-huh.
Filled it up with black powder.
Oh.
Fit it inside a Sparkletts bottle that had exactly just a half gallon of gas in it.
Oh shit.
And fucking electrical tape and duct tape and, almost like a Gatorade bomb or a freaking,
Right.
and we shot that bitch, dude. Oh my god.
Aim low. Oh, that thing's pretty dead on this close.
Nice.
Oh,
It's pretty close.
Oh!
I don't know if you should be downwind though.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
We should have hit the 99-cent store, damn it.
dude, it's so badass to hit cans of shit.
Oh
But
shit.
then there's sometimes you're just like, oh, fuck me.
We got pineapple on it.
Fucking on your truck, on you. You're just like, oh, really?
This thing's pretty badass.
Yeah.
It's pretty accurate,
It
too.
is.
That's like Kevin's.
Shoot the rest of the rounds.
Especially when the pineapple hits you in the fucking head.